Hello YouTube viewers and my dear subscribers. Today I'm going to talk about Sulphur Crested Cockatoo. Come on, let's go. Cockatoo is my favorite bird because it's beautiful and highly intelligent. There are 21 varieties of species in cockatoo. My favorite is Sulphur Crested Cockatoo. It's usually a large white cockatoo found in wooded habitats in Australia, New Guinea and some of the islands in Indonesia. They eat seeds, bulbous roots, berries, nuts, reedbuds, insects and their larvae. Their strong beak and tongue are well adapted for this diet. They prefer to nest in hollow limbs of eucalyptus high up over watercourses along the Murray River. They have been seen to nest in cliff holes. Both male and female birds shed the inside of their limbs to make a layer of chewed wood dust under the nest. This is one name I set. This is a water place. Here is a grassland, and this is a forest bridge, and this is only the eucalyptus tree, and these are the babies, and the mother and their eggs. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye until I see you in the next video, and stay tuned.